Find which version of package is installed with pip. Using pip, is it possible to figure out which version of a package is currently installed? I know about pip install XYZ upgrade, but I am wondering if there is anything like pip info XYZ. If not, what would be the best way to tell what version I am currently using?
As of pip 1.3, there is a pip show command. In older versions, pip freeze and grep should do the job nicely.
I just sent a pull request in pip with the enhancement Hugo Tavares said. Spec loud as example.
Pip 1.3 now also has a list command.
And with outdated as an extra argument, you will get the current and latest versions of the packages you are using. So combining with a damped S answer. Check pip tools 2, this URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.